tonight. We are about to go to Fort Lauderdale and to do Jamarcus' birthday, Levatus' nephew and my nephew-in-law. And this is his cake.
That cake was hot.
It's Miami Heat cake because he likes Miami Heat. And then the stars go on top. The stars go on top of the cake. And get ready to go down there. Well, I'm gonna take a bath. And are you taking a bath?
Of course I'm taking a bath.
So you're taking a bath too?
Oh, I got him out there searching for the charger and I got him in the pocket.
So yeah, we're gonna
you found the charger yet?
do that, and we will be on the road.
Yeah.
I'm not vlogging on the road this time because they like catch me while I'm asleep. So yeah. So next time you'll see us, we'll be in Fort Lauderdale. Hi. We made it to Fort Lauderdale. Again. For the second week in a row.
Okay.
We are about to...
Hey, y'all better tighten up.
Come on, Tiana. We're about to set up for Jamarcus' birthday party.
First of all, we here
Wait.
set up.
Set that. This is my
We'll be back again, but we here to set.
Say hi, Ty. Yeah.
Y'all better start hitting that window. Get the cake now.
I already got the cake.
Get the cake again.
Annoying people get the cake again. They don't want to see the cake again.
I'm gonna edit. It's not gonna be on there.
Yes, it is. Miami Heat. And this is his invitation. So yeah, we're going to set up.
Oh, you can't show them if we show them, we're gonna have to kill them. You can't show them
I would show you guys
how we get down.
how I pose, but I have to kill you.
Because it's a business. It's not an adventure.
This is not an adventure.
No. All right, so we'll be back. We'll be back. We can't show y'all how we do our business because then it wouldn't be a business no more because you guys wouldn't know. And that would, you guys will try to take over.
Bye.
Taking our money.
We are now finished. The balloons right now. And it's like, it's 12:10 at night. And we're tired.
You want to use one of these now?
Yeah. Are you tired? Are you so shy? Why you gotta be so shy?
I'm always shy.
Lies! Oh my god, you've never been shy until now. Why are you shy?
You got the tape?
Everybody got the tape for what? Who made the tape up? Did you say we need, what's the name?
I'm saying you don't.
Hot glue?
No, we don't. You want hot glue to the damn line?
You want to talk about put the extra shit to the board.
Oh, but if you use the tape, you can just flip it over. Like, you know what I mean?
I think I got
Flip the
some
tape.
ready.
No, them boys. I got your knobby in the car. You can play with Ty with your knobby. No, it's charged. I'm trying to say it's charged. That's what she was gonna say.
MJ. Come put on your jammies. I told your daughter to put on her jammies and she told me no. Nope, no knobby until you give me your put on your jammies. Ready to put this table up?
What?
Ready to put this table up?
Table already up.
Oh, I'm late. Really? Really? You gotta curse at me? Really?
So funny.
Hope you do it.
She always do it.
My headphones.
Why can't you do it yourself?
Oh, yeah, she got to adjust it.
Now people see what I go through.
Look her shit. Look at that shit.
Look.
That's what I'm talking about. And look at my shit.
Mr. Perfectionist.
Mr. Perfect.
Who finna see that shit?
Exactly. Who gonna see
Oh, they
that?
gonna see when that shit don't stick. They gonna be like,
when it slowly peel off the board.
Yeah, it slowly roll off the
It ain't gonna
backboard.
roll off. It's gonna stay. Don't worry about it.
We promise.
yeah, nails.
There you go.
On the count of 3. Everybody together. 1.
Let's see which side is mine.
Oh God.
Okay, this is her side. This is her side, people.
It's gonna stick. It's gonna
So if it don't stick on my side, that's
Listen,
her
I
take.
got like my eyes go crazy. I'm gonna need you to make sure this
line
shit.
it up. Hold on, pick it up, cause yours stick.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there.
Alright, you gotta hold it over it. Okay, I'm right here, so you should be good too. Just don't let go. Hold on.
You too far to the top.
No, I'm
You
not.
got that white to show.
Why you gotta be?
Now y'all the one got to judge it and look at it, cause my eyes
You sleepy.
yeah, that'll work.
That'll work. Press down. Come on, Mr. Perfect. Woohoo.
Where we could save that?
Oh, it would have been cool if we had something that could make it hang.
So we gotta. Yeah. Well, we can do the tape.
You cannot take that to the blinds.
See, Mikey? See what I mean?
There you go.
Look. Yeah, your shit. Yeah, your shit.
Got some hot glue? I got an idea if you got some hot glue.
I got a hot glue gun.
There we go. We got hot glue it to the blind, the back of the blind.
Yeah,
It's gonna work.
Yeah, that'll work.
Top of that shit come off though.
You could take it out. It'll peel right off, like how it peel off the glass.
So then, in that case, it's gonna peel off during the party. And shit.
No, it's not, because it's hot. We could peel it off.
But what you gonna do? Put it under?
Mm-hmm.
Under the she putting it under there, Ronnie.
Like this.
That shit gonna fall.
No, it's not. I swear to God, not with 3 dots of hot glue and hot glue in it there. It would not fall. He
That
lying.
shit gonna fall.
No, it's not.
Don't listen to Shannon. Trust me. Believe when I tell you. She be trying to.
And it worked too. Don't
No,
be
that shit
afraid.
help.
It do be
And
working.
then it end up falling.
No, it don't. My ideas
Right.
never fail.
We gonna have to fill all them shit. Oh, I got
We'll be
another.
back.
I'm gonna need another one though.
We'll be back. We'll be back.
It's coming together, people. We're getting there. What you gotta say, LaShawna Marie?
I gotta say is I'm tired and I want a Pepsi. How about that? What do you got?
What's that?
I thought you like Pepsi. I like Pepsi in the bottle. not-
Negative. You never thought I drank Pepsi.
Oh yeah, just
You don't know
kidding.
me after
No
all
Pepsi
these
in this
years.
house.
Just
Honestly, you
kidding.
don't know me.
Just kidding.
She
It
don't
was
know.
Coke. I was kidding. We all drink. Oh, that's Junior that drank Pepsi.
Right.
Oh,
Oh, cause that's.
never mind. There's that up the wall.
We're getting close, people. It's going down. This look nice. It look hot.
Thanks to me.
Jamar,
Why you gonna come in the screen like that? I was zoomed in.
come check this. Come check this out, Jamar.
Yeah, he just saw it straight. He just saw it straight.
Birthday boy, right though.
Right.
It's all about him. That's Duty. Say what's up. Say what's up, Duty. Duty, the people ain't see you. Say what's up. Alright. That's the way.
So we'll see you in the morning.
Your parents do. Hi, to make it work.
Say it, MJ.
Say bye, friends.
Bye.
We just woke up. We're getting ready for the party. I need to stop looking at that and look at the camera. We have Tevin and Terrence putting the table together. Now that there's a funny man. Terrence, say good morning.
One he's going to.
Daddy, did you see my pink bear?
Your what?
My pink bear.
You never brought a pink bear.
Okay. So we're going to get dressed and then we're going to get a couple things from the store and then finish an arch and balloon, get some candy, and then wait for Mookie to get here. And then we'll be right at Dollar Tree. We're about to go get some stuff. Right, Tiana?
Right.
Your friends have a YouTube channel?
I don't know.
This is kind of awkward. This is why I don't like vlogging in public. And Vitus always tell me to vlog in public. But I want to vlog in public. Because it's like, people are like, why she got a camera on her? We will. Give me a second.
I was just thinking about it when I grabbed this and I'm like, oh my God, what was it that I was looking
Let's backtrack back to the rewind. You were looking at that.
Oh, maybe I should have got some red cups.
Oh yeah, you can get red cups.
Oh, those pink.
Red cup, no. These are red. These, no, it's pink. Red.
You got red? Okay, so let's put these back and get red.
Chunk in my vibe. Tina Polo, say cheese. Why are you so shy? Like you hit puberty and became shy all of a sudden. I am so not used to you being shy. And that purse is like way too heavy for... Really, MJ? You just hit Tiana. Say sorry.
God, I was just looking at something when I grabbed this.
Tablecloths,
We got
straws.
Who?
I don't know. Napkin. You got napkins.
Those.
Oh, warmers. Yeah, pan warmers.
I wonder if they'll be cheap if I go and buy a 6-pack.
Yeah, because these will be $1 each. How much is a 6-pack?
I don't know.
Where you get the 6-pack from?
We got to go to Potty Supermarket.
Oh, then it'll be expensive at Party Supermarket, FYI.
Do we have to go to Potty Supermarket?
Yes, we do.
Why we need to go to Potty Supermarket?
The ball balloons.
What if they got some here?
If they got some here, that's all the better because it's $1.
How many you got to get though?
4 or 5. If they here, that's cheap. I forgot y'all have a variety. I don't have a variety where I live.
Stop on. I was trying to find some red ribbon, but they only had the colorful ones down there. So let's see. You all Mariah? Let's see if they have.
Tiny, you should make a nail tutorial and then put it on YouTube. Then all your friends will be like, she got a nail tutorial.
Don't write on it.
No, seriously.
I already see what you're looking at.
You gotta explain how you do it.
Put it up here and leave it up there.
You could get out of this camera. Mother, I have a problem. We go into Dollar General. I get her lip gloss, and she come out with a wallet that she almost screamed for. I should have said no. You got something she ain't even gonna use that she could have thrown aside, waste my $1 for nothing. Come on, Em. Give me your hand. What do you have in that bag? What are you gonna do with that wallet?
Nothing.
Exactly, because it's pink, right?
It's pink.
Oh, because it's pink.
Someone knocked the door.
It's open, Lily, with your ugly self. But yeah, on to the next stop. Party City.
No, this stop wasn't included in our.
Okay, this stop wasn't included, but nah, we're going to the right stop.
In the Camaro we go.
Heavy ass purse with me. Hallelujah. I feel 10 pounds lighter already. I need to just go dump it.
Just give Tiana $2 of it. And then how many candies you'll have to sell after Shannon give you $2 for 2 of them. So you have 3 more left?
There you go. We're in Party City. We need ribbon and then damn balloons. Oh, let's see the basketball balloon up there.
Where?
Right there, straight ahead next to the football.
Oh.
And then ribbon.
Red. Red ribbon.
The last aisle.
Okay.
Ah, I'm not beginning not to be shy anymore, vlogging in public. Look, too damn much money.
Right, for that.
You can go to BJ's and get that for a whole bunch of money. I mean, for a lot less.
Shannon, right here. They got black.
We could do black.
With the table being black? The tabletop? But I don't see no red, so we might not have a choice.
Yeah, we might not have a choice.
It's Christmas time.
Let's look in the red section. Event planning. Ribbon, ribbon, bags. Oh, they might be down here. Look, they're down here. I don't know about this ribbon.
That's Frankie stuff. What you tie the balloons with?
Oh. What the hell is going on?
We got balloons.
Yeah, we're in balloons. So she ran in the store to pick up gumballs and then after that we are gonna go home to get dressed. So yeah, we got our balloons to go over the arch and we're on our way back and then we're gonna finish up the house and then that's about it. And then we're gonna start this party right. What's your Snapchat? You don't want people to know your Snapchat? Okay. You both have braces. Mine are clear and hers are what color? Purple. She got purple. And yeah, we got brace face together. Braces are in. Ugly teeth are out. You want to see her braces? Can I see your braces? Peace. We'll be see you at home. Peace out. Say bye. I am finished decorating.
I gotta check on that one. I'm find out how much students he has.
Laura, come here.
So yeah, I finished decorating. And we have Grandma here and Ty, and she's taking a picture.
Come here.
So yeah, we just waiting for the party to start. MJ, stop bringing everything down from that box, that what's it called? Dollhouse.
It's
there you go.
nice. You did a nice job.
Thank you.
I like your pants, Grandma.
Okay, looking all stylish, Grandma.
Like what?
Your pants.
I saw something the other day, I couldn't buy it, like, you know what I'm saying? I said, she gave me bigger than this, but let me just wait.
Ready. Chicken wings, subs, condiments. We have the balloons, the chips and dip. So we are all ready.
Johnny got her stuff on, so all y'all can get in the picture.
I like to fix her hair. Just, Shannon, can you take a picture?
Yes, I can.
She grabbed.
Why now? Why you ain't at the DJ? Why Angelique ain't make your plate? What happened now?
Look, she put her finger. That's it. That's your husband. He's disgusting.
That what she did to the sandwich.
What the music?
It ain't no music right now. I'm eating.
You on break?
Yep.
But you just took a break like an hour ago.
I didn't even take the dinner.
You said the music gonna play on its own and it cut off.
Hey, that mean the CD was done.
Hi
Don't
Terrence.
put me on Facebook. Tell that shit right damn now.
I don't put my videos on Facebook.
She's
Okay,
it's
who
YouTube.
husband is that?
It's not Facebook anymore. It's YouTube.
Who husband is that?
It's YouTube. It's not Facebook.
What we listening to? You say listen and ain't say nothing.
We got the only black woman I know in my life that don't eat chicken right here. This her name.
Don't tell that girl name. She don't want to be there.
Maritha.
Marisa.
You eat chicken?
No, she don't eat chicken.
Oh my shit.
She don't eat chicken and you don't eat off the grill.
She a vegetarian.
And you don't eat.
And you black and you don't eat off the grill, are you? What?
No, it's chicken wings.
And you don't eat off the grill. Y'all both fucked up.
No, baby. You don't eat chicken wings. That's the whole about like.
There you go, Tevin. That's what I'm talking about.
My mama will wreck a car eating chicken wing while she
You need to
drives.
open that.
That woman right there.
Open that.
Hey, little one. What's wrong?
She lost and she can't be found.
What's wrong? You okay?
You think I should take this out there?
What?
It's going on that table?
So we've been yeah, right. Let me record out here. Don't close the door in my face.
I don't know where you at. I see gumdrop, sugarfoot, and left foot.
Gumdrop. What you call them?
Gumdrop, sugarfoot, and left foot.
Hi, Mike.
Mama, you don't want none of that first. Go to boy too tall for your
Bro,
plate.
I was handling that. I was handling that.
Junior.
Nobody don't want none. You don't want none.
I know I don't want y'all, man.
Too tall, ain't too tall.
Everybody here, Junior here.
Don't do it, Shannon. Man, my grip's chopped, so don't do that.
You used to give me a kiss. He's too old to give me a kiss now. He don't give me no kiss. So did you like my friend rapping in the video?
Your vlog is very interesting.
Thank you.
It's multicultural. Besides the N-word.
Besides-
C-word, I'm sorry.
Cut. Coochie? C-word.
Don't see where the elder use.
He said, oh my God, did you see it?
Right.
Oh my God, I was embarrassed.
Little man, right?
I just had to eat my cake first.
What you talking about?
Listen,
Look here, yo, you know me.
that's your family member that said that.
I don't talk like that.
Yeah, you do. I've heard you say that.
Yeah, when you saw it, when? In high school?
Did you hear my friend? She tried to blurt out. She wouldn't say the N-word.
Yeah, it was so funny.
It was. She said she didn't say the N-word.
You know me, sitting here thinking,
Oh,
you feel me?
okay, I'm making sure she won't put that.
From brow to brow, that's how we do it.
You go, what the hell? This whole cup got a hole in it?
Don't worry, she's not drinking like
I am. It's vodka in
it's
here.
root beer.
You a hater. You a fucking hater, dog.
You right there?
Boss said make him a Cosmo.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
If I mix him a Cosmo boy, it's on.
That's what he said, make a, he gonna get it tonight.
No, he ain't.
That's what
He lying.
Cosmo, you gonna get it tonight.
He lying. He ain't getting nothing. Say nothing about no damn. I already got them.
Hey, say cheese doodle.
Say cheese doodle.
I told you I'm a gangster. Gangster's only supposed to go to.
That's why I tell you keep me on that shit. You put me on my goddamn Facebook.
What?
I'm trying to shut
What?
that news shit.
They're trying to-
Goddamn camera on my
They'll put you on what?
Goddamn camera on my
POP.
At least she can record for this.
Exactly. Look, all you gotta do is put a record paper over it.
That's it. Make sure when you call me, they got my address on there. What's out of there? Got a address. 1, 2, 3. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I know.
That's like a choir.
Who is singing? Hey, who is the have a piano? It's supposed to make a wish.
What you wish for?
Wish that you just
Get back with that.
money.
Man, wish for you.
Yay!
Really?
Y'all right out here?
Dude! You're so fucking ratchet. This concludes our party.
I just wanted to show my face. I'm just gonna take these glasses off for y'all think I'm soft.
I said this concluded my video. Right?
Oh, my bad.
Thank you. Well, this concludes my video.